Alrighty, what is up? So today we are going to be talking about how to build a product or a service for YouTube. It's going to be very simple. I'm just going to be drawing a whiteboard and pretty much let's get into it. I'm going to get into no fluff or anything. Alright, so this dude is you, and let's say you have a full-time job. So let's say you're making about 1,000 weekly. Right, so $1,000 you're making it weekly. So monthly you're making about you're making about $4,000 each and every single month, right? So what you're gonna end up doing is you're gonna want to target this, which is $4,000, which is whatever your income is. So yours might be $10,000, yours might be $1,000, yours might be $100, whatever it is. Just that is your goal to get to. But to actually get to the stage, what do you need? Of course, you need the thing is what we call money. So your social media platforms that you're going to be using are YouTube and let's say TikTok, because you're doing short form content. So your goal with this is to produce long form content. So let's just do LC for long form content, and short form content such as YouTube Shorts. So we'll just do US, and these here can just be copied right over here, so you don't have to put in double the effort. So that's the thing you have to do. And the way you get clients is the views you make from these are eyeballs, in case you're wondering. So you get little views coming in to your YouTube and your TikTok. Now, after you've gained videos and you post videos and everything like that, you'll gain a following after a while. So what you're gonna want to do is grab a pen. So let's say you have 30 days, right? You're gonna post 30 days and you're gonna post 3 to 5 videos each and every single day for that 30 days. Now the thing is, not all of these are going to go well. In fact, they're probably going to go horribly because you're just starting. So it might do like might do okay, might do okay, might do really good, might do okay. You get the point. Then all of these videos you'll be putting onto, where is my pen? All of these videos here will go into your YouTube Shorts and your TikTok. So you're going to post 3 to 5 of them because they're very simple to make, and you can actually make the long form content that you do produce. You can put them into little short form cut up versions and encourage people to watch the full 20-30 minute video, whatever it may be. So with YouTube, you're actually going to make long form content, so LC for long form content, and you want to try and post at least 4+ per day. And the same concept applies. You're going to be posting videos as much as you can, and some videos won't work and some will do well, and you just keep repeating the process. So what you're going to do is you're going to create some sort of product or service. So products or people. So after you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to encourage people with a CTA, which is a call to action, to buy/book in a call with you. And after they booked in a call, it pretty much looks like this. So let me grab a different color. So it works like this. So your little dude here, like this. So your little dude here, they see your, let's pretend this is YouTube video. They see your YouTube video, then they're interested into your newsletter or whatever it may be, or your Calendly link for your particular product. And let's just do C stands for cow. C stands for Calendly, actually. I don't know why I said cow, I was thinking of Google Calendar. So after they've seen your video, after this person has seen your video, they booked in a call with you, then you take the call. So you have conversation with them, then you can see if you can give value to them and if you can actually help these particular people. And if this is your offer, then what you're gonna do, that is way too big. What am I doing? Go back. So if they are interested and you can generally help these people, and what you can do is you can collect money from these particular people, and it can be a $1,000 product, $20 product, $10 product, whatever it may be. You can do it in this order. So quickly going back through it, person sees your video, they like what you do, they want to book in a call because they want to learn something like content creation, for example. Then you have a conversation with them, you give them as much value or free information as you can within that 30-60 minute time period. And if you can generally help them and they like what you offer, such as a 30-day program or whatever it may be, you can offer this for, let's say, new color, red, $1,000. Ignore my crappy handwriting. So then you just simply repeat the process until you get to your income of your job. And after you've done this, you should save 6 months of expenses, get out of debt if you have any debt. Then also you have to make and you also have to make double pay to what your job is offering you. Then after this point, it is actually safe to now quit your job, because this is the final goal right here. So I hope all of this makes sense. So content creation, just literally get an iPhone, get a camera, whatever it may be. This camera right here, it's $50. I'm sure you have an iPhone. I have 3 iPhones. Use one of them. I'm sure you have at least one. Use your iPhone, film something, produce something, and bring people to some sort of product or some sort of service that you can actually offer these people. And in your videos, make a CTA, call to action, to get that person to actually book in some sort of call with you. Help them as much as you can, even for free. Take on free calls. And if they like what you're offering them, then you can definitely book them in for, let's say, $1,000. You do that several times over, and you have a multi-$1,000 business. I've not done this, but this is a plan that I'm doing with producing content on YouTube and TikTok. I'm not going to be one of those people that are like, oh, I did it, so you can too. It's like, no, I haven't done it yet, but this is my eventual goal that is in mind, to book in calls with you, the audience, and how I can help you be content creators within 2024. So if you like today's video, like it. I hope you like this raw style of content. I feel like it's a lot more authentic because you guys can see that I have a stutter, speech impediment, and I don't have $20,000 worth of camera gear. So we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching and have a good day.